What happens if the judge says you have to come up with $16,000?
I don't have it. He'll have to put me in jail. I don't have $16,000.
Good news, Mom. No one's going to jail after all. Back in 2014, former chaser Bill Anderson brought you the story of Caitlyn Ricci. Now, she was a then 21-year-old college student from South Jersey who sued her estranged and divorced parents for $16,000. Also, she could transfer from a local community college to Temple University. Now, back then, her mother, Maura McGarvey, was adamant that she was not going to foot the bill.
When you move out of my house, Dad's no longer going to pay child support. I'm not going to take child support anymore. That's the money I was using to help you pay for college. So there's no account, there's no money set aside for college. I struggled my whole life to put myself through college with her. I didn't finish my education until I was almost 33.
Last week, an appellate court ruled that a parent, quote, cannot be viewed as a wallet. And when a child is emancipated, the parent is relieved of the burden of support. Long story short, so long as Caitlyn is emancipated from her parents, they're not obligated to pay for her college tuition. But there's even better news. Maura's attorney, Kelli Martone, says that Caitlyn is now unemancipated and that the family is attempting a reconciliation. That's something that seemed near impossible when Maura sat down with Bill 2 years ago.
So on her Twitter feed, she posted, officially a student at Temple University. And I texted my ex-husband saying she's going to Temple. We had no idea.
I am shocked that, and obviously I'm not an attorney, I don't know, but I'm shocked that there just isn't a set demarcation line when you're 18 and you're an adult. That's it.
Well, but so some things, though, in cases like this, that parental obligation does often cover college tuition, higher education. So sometimes when it's more like 22 is the new 18 in a lot of regards for that.
I hope that on top of her tuition, she's going to now have to pay. She has to pay all of her parents' legal fees because that's ridiculous.
And these cases, too, I spoke with a different attorney who had information on the case, and it becomes a matter of how worth it is it to pursue this kind of legal action? Because at some point, for $16,000, okay, maybe you'll win it in court, but it may cost you $8,000 or $9,000 or $10,000 to win the 16. For middle-class families, even upper-middle-class families, or anyone who just values money, you don't throw good money after bed in these circumstances.
Unless you just want to get back at your parents for something. That's what's going on here.